Do
you believe this? This guy's cooking a burger in a microwave in 3 minutes. Unfucking believable. I'm calling bullshit on this. I got my bun all wet. I got my burger underwater and a slice of cheese, and I even ran this underwater, just like the video. All I'm doing is squirting some mustard on this.
You need it in one sheet, just like this. Lay that down
Wet
flat.
bun.
Get your burger ready to go. You got your buns, you got your package.
And let's wrap this thing up.
Here you got to hit all
Wrap this son of a bitch up, just like he did.
And a little bit of bright yellow mustard. No Dijon, no honey, nothing else. Plain yellow mustard. Get your burger assembled. Press the paper towel firmly up against the burger.
Yeah,
Start to
tuck
roll
it underneath.
one end to the other, just
Into the
like
microwave
this.
it goes.
Be sure to fold
3
it
minutes.
both sides. You need a
Let's
nice
check
tight
this out and
seal.
see if
That's
it
what's
fucking
trapping
works.
the steam.
Just like he did on the video. Place it on the outside of the tray. Close the microwave door.
Here, put it on the outermost
3
part.
minutes.
Turn it to the microwave,
On
put it
high.
high for 3 minutes.
3
Careful
minutes
when
is
it's
up.
done. You don't want to
And
burn
this
your
is
hand.
hot
That
as
steam will make
mother.
everything super
Okay,
hot.
boys and
Go
girls,
ahead
here's
and
the
unwrap
moment of
the
truth.
burger. You're going to have the most delicious
Comes to
thing you've ever
Jesus.
seen in your life, ready to eat and
Darn it.
enjoy.
Bam. There we go. Unroll that son of a bitch. Fully cooked burger in 3 minutes. Jesus. It's a mess. Jesus Christ. Bullshit. I'm calling bullshit. A burger in 3 minutes in the microwave? That's fucking bullshit. That's a fork down for sure.